All right, it has been a while, so several months since we did our last video, but we've continued to work on Turas, and we have our guest, as always, Sandra here.
Hi guys.
So Sandra, obviously, Gary and I at least have continued to work on Turas. You've
Yeah.
continued to use Turas,
Accurate.
yeah, and
Accurate.
sometimes really waiting on me to actually buy tickets and do it.
Not sometimes. All the time.
But we've used tourists. It's been great. There's
Yeah.
actually a lot of people using tourists
Yeah.
actively.
Yes, I'm shown this all of the time. Told this all the
Yeah,
time.
there are
So
people.
thanks everybody.
But yeah, nobody's paying for it.
Accurate. Accurate. But
um,
that's okay too.
that's okay too. That's okay. We'll figure it out
Yeah.
one day.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
But what we've been working on, Gary and I have been working on,
hmm
really super secret, uh, amazing feature.
It's not going to be super secret anymore. So tell
um,
us about it.
have you seen it actually?
I have seen it. I don't really know how it works, but I've seen it and it's really cool.
Okay, so imagine that when you do your research online, you're looking at
Yeah.
blogs, you're looking at websites, and what's really tough is like, okay, you know, however you're planning, whether you're using Tourist or Google Docs or Google Sheets, right? What's the thing you naturally do?
Copy and paste.
Copy and paste, right? And
Everything.
for a large itinerary for a long trip, like that can be really, really tedious, right? Number
Yes.
one, you might copy paste the whole text, you might copy paste individual places and you're
Right.
organizing things,
Yeah.
really time consuming.
Yeah.
So Gary and I have been working on using AI to
Mm.
make this way easier. So literally, you can paste in one URL, right?
Okay.
We go out there, we grab the website, right?
Uh-huh.
We read the website, and we use AI to figure out, okay, what are the places that are in this itinerary?
Aha.
And we create a trip in tourist.
So like a travel blog where they put day one,
Mm-hmm.
we went here.
Mm-hmm.
Day two, we went here. You can
Mm-hmm.
just pull that in.
We just pull that in automatically, so you don't have to
Ah.
like manually copy and then go research. We pull everything in. It's already linked to Google.
Ah.
We can automatically pull in pictures and things like that,
Nice.
and all of that kind of good stuff. So it's,
Mm-hmm.
you know, we primarily, believe it or not, we really built it for ourselves first and foremost because Gary and I, when we're making these trips, this
Yeah.
makes it like way easier for us to build more trips. But we're thinking about rolling this out. Right? What do
Right.
you think about that?
I mean, I'm excited to see it work,
Uh huh.
but a little concerned about the whole plagiarism thing around AI.
Uh
Like, are you
huh.
stealing people's trips?
Uh huh. Uh huh.
How do you guys think about that?
Yeah, I think that's a very tough question, right? When it comes to AI, there's a lot of different ways, different companies have been doing this. Obviously last year, a lot of companies that did AI in travel, right?
Mm-hmm.
It took a lot of VC money. We got zero
Zero
VC money,
VC money.
zero VC money. So we've just been going at it. What we're not doing is like we're not taking other people's content to train an AI, right?
Right. Okay.
We're not reusing that content from the
Okay.
website at all. We're using it like a human would use it, right? Like
Okay.
you would go
And
and
copy paste.
copy paste, or you might just go copy the places out of the days and put it
Right.
into a Google Doc, right? So we're not like taking that to
Okay.
train an AI.
Right.
We're not even using it to do, and of course, fancy term here, retrieval augmented generation. All
That's
we're
fancy.
doing is we're using the AI to help extract, like, okay, what are the days in this trip?
Mm-hmm.
What are the places that the
Okay.
person wants to go to? And just automatically put that into a tourist
Okay.
trip.
So exactly what I would do as a person, except AI is going to do it to make it faster for me. Okay.
Exactly. It's exactly what you would do as a normal human being, right? And copy paste things in.
Right.
But we're doing it
Okay.
for you automatically. So
I like that.
that's like one of the big features that we've put in,
Nice.
and we're looking to roll it out eventually over the next couple of days because now I have a job, so
He does have to actually work
I do have to
and
actually
make
work. So
money.
it's not tourist 24/7 anymore. It's
He
uh,
wishes.
tourists on the weekends. So we've continuously put in other small
Yeah.
features too. So I don't know if you noticed, like we have pictures now, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Helpful.
it's really helpful. So in the timeline, you can see the picture show up.
Yeah.
There's been a bunch of other small fixes. I don't know if you've noticed, but the like it keeps your login now, so you don't have to
I
keep
do
logging in,
appreciate that it
right?
keeps my
It keeps
login.
your login, so you don't
That
have
is
to.
nice.
It's just you don't have to
I'll
the extra
probably
step.
notice them more when this guy right here starts helping me finalize our upcoming trip.
We'll make it happen. But
Mm-hmm.
really excited to get this AI piece rolled out
Yeah.
and get it in front of users. I think we'll end up burning through get all of Gary's OpenAI credits really quickly because I think it's really gonna be hot.
Yeah. Awesome. I'm
All
excited.
right, folks. Until next time, try out
Thanks.
Turas.